If CapCut is showing error 111, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 simple fixes that can help you get exporting again fast. This is a common issue, and in many cases it comes down to cache buildup, export settings that are too heavy, or hardware acceleration causing problems on your device. So if you're stuck and your video won't finish exporting, stay with me and follow each step carefully. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials like this. Alright, let's fix it. The first thing you should do is clear the cache inside CapCut. Cached files can build up over time and sometimes cause export errors or performance issues. To do this, open CapCut and go to Settings. From there, look for the Draft section and then find Cache Size. Once you're in that menu, clear the cache completely. This helps remove temporary files that may be interfering with your project. After clearing the cache, close CapCut fully and reopen it so the changes take effect. Then try exporting your video again and see if the error is gone. If you're still getting error 111, the next step is to lower your export settings. Sometimes the project is too demanding for the device or the app at the current settings, especially if you're exporting in very high quality. When you open the export window, reduce the resolution. For example, if you are exporting in 4K, switch it down to 1080p. You can also lower the frame rate to 30 frames per second if it's currently higher. These changes make the export much lighter and easier for CapCut to process. Once you've adjusted the settings, export the file again and check whether the problem is fixed. Now, if that still doesn't solve it, the third fix is to disable hardware acceleration. On PC, go to the menu in the top left corner, then open Settings. Inside Settings, go to the Performance tab. Here, you'll see an option that says Speed up hardware encoding. Uncheck that option, then click Save. Hardware acceleration can improve performance on some systems, but on others it can actually cause export glitches like error 111. After saving the change, restart CapCut and try exporting one more time. In a lot of cases, this is the step that finally clears the issue. If the error is still happening after all 3 fixes, I recommend checking whether CapCut needs an update, restarting your device, and making sure your project files are not corrupted. But for most users, clearing the cache, lowering export settings, and disabling hardware acceleration are the best first fixes to try. I hope this helped you fix CapCut error 111 quickly. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful editing tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.